Good viewer, you're welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to find area of a triangle. In our last class, we discussed about how to find area of a right angle triangle. But today, we are going to find area of an isosceles triangle because the two sides is equal and the three side is not equal. So this triangle here is called isosceles triangle. To find the area, solution. So this is isosceles triangle, and the area of the triangle, the formula is given as half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height of the triangle. And if you look at this triangle very well, the half is constant, is number, and the base is given as 12 centimeter, but the height is not given. This two line you are here is not the height because a height is the line that stands upright. So with this now, we have to find the height of this triangle because before we can satisfy with this formula, because the question asks us to find the area of this isosceles triangle. So before we can get the height, remember we have to bisect this triangle. Bisect indices that you have to draw a straight line here. Yeah, straight line. That is bisection of a triangle. We have bisect this triangle, and these lines that stands upright is the height of the triangle. So we are going to find the height of this triangle. Remember, if you bisect this triangle, this place is 12 centimeters. So this place will be 6 centimeters, and this place will be 6 centimeters. So we are going to remove this right angle triangle and look for height before we can substitute to this formula. So let me bring the triangle out. This is the right angle triangle. Yeah. Remember, this is 6 centimeter. This place is 10 centimeter, and this is the height we are asked to look for. And before we can look for height of this triangle, remember your Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to find the height of this triangle. So the height square equal to 10, this 10 square minus the base 6 square. So to get this now, this h square now will be equal to 10 square is 100 minus 6 square is 36. So h square now will be equal to 100 minus 36, we have 64. And remember, this height is in square. So before we can get the height of this angle, we have to square with the both sides. So if you square the square root, you cancel this square to remain with the height equal to the square root of 64, which is equals to 8 centimeter. So the square root of 64 is 8 centimeter. Therefore, the height of this right angle triangle is 8 centimeter. So from now, having find the height of this triangle, we can satisfy this formula now. The height here now is 8 centimeter. So, and the formula says area equals to half multiplied by the base, and the base of this isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter. 12 multiplied by the height, and the height we find is 8 centimeter. This is 8, and the area equal to half multiplied by 12 is the same as this one multiplied by 12 is 12, and 12 divided by 2, which is 6 multiplied by 8. So 6, the area 6 multiplied by 8 is equals to 48 centimeter square. So this is area of this triangle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.